The highlights of today's defense news, that is 27th of May 25. DRDO's anti-stealth surveillance radar VHF-SR by DRDO-BEL-TASL enters field trials. BEL IRST and GAN UTTAM AESA, India's integrated counter-stealth solution. TATA Advanced System Advanced Thermal Sighting System powering the Indian Army's IGLA missiles. DRDO developing new gun-fired ATGM for 105 Canon of Zorawar light tank. Hyderabad-based firm Raghu Vamsi machine tools to develop cutting-edge Kamikaze drones. L&T TEER Advanced Indigenous Manoeuvrable Recoverable Aerial Target Platform for Modern Air Defense Training. India set to revive minesweeping capabilities amidst Chinese threat in Indian Ocean region. AVNL engages Western companies John Cockerill and Elbit systems for next-generation high-altitude light tanks. VEM Technologies manufactures the center fuselage for Tejas Mk1A. Amid India boycott of Turkey, Erdogan to meet Pakistan Prime Minister Sharif in Istanbul to discuss security and defense. Pakistan to allocate 2000 megawatts of power for Bitcoin mining and AI data centers. Turkey and Malaysia to jointly develop naval platforms and tactical mini UAV systems. A look at the news in detail. Developed through a collaborative effort between DRDO, BEL and TASL, the anti-stealth VHF-SR Very High Frequency Short Range Surveillance Radar system has advanced into critical field trials. The VHF-SR surveillance radar incorporates state-of-the-art technical specifications that position it among the world's most advanced anti-stealth detection systems. The system's 400-kilometer detection range represents a considerable achievement for a truck-based mobile VHF radar platform, enabling comprehensive early warning and surveillance capabilities across vast operational areas. This extended range capability significantly enhances air defense networks by providing substantial lead time for threat assessment and response coordination. The radar's ability to simultaneously track up to 100 targets demonstrates sophisticated signal processing capabilities and advanced computational algorithms that can manage multiple threat scenarios concurrently. Central to the system's advanced performance are the gallium nitride GaN transmit-receive modules, which represent the latest evolution in radar technology. These GaN-based modules offer superior power efficiency, enhanced reliability, and improved thermal management compared to traditional gallium arsenide technologies. The incorporation of distributed architecture with integrated transmit-receive modules using solid-state technology ensures efficient scan coverage, beam agility, and high system reliability. This technological foundation enables the radar to maintain consistent performance across diverse operational environments while providing the power output necessary for long-range detection of low observable targets. Let us now see the differences between the DRDO VHF-SR and the Surya radars developed by ADTL. While both DRDO's VHF-SR and Surya radars by ADTL are anti-stealth surveillance radars, they have distinct designs and operational roles. While DRDO VHF-SR radar was developed by DRDO, BEL and TASL, the Surya radar was designed by Alpha Design. Both operate in the VHF band, with the DRDO VHF-SR detecting stealth aircraft at distances of up to 400 kilometers, while the Surya radar reaches 360 kilometers. The DRDO radar employs steering and rotation modes, while the Surya radar rotates at 10 cycles per minute for full coverage. The DRDO system has both fixed and mobile configurations, while the Surya radar is deployed on 6x6 vehicles for enhanced mobility. The Surya radar was delivered to the Air Force in March 25, while DRDO's VHF radar is still undergoing field trials. Both radars enhance India's air defense capabilities, particularly against stealth threats like Chinese J-20 fighters and Wing Lung drones. DRDO is developing a sophisticated multi-sensor approach to counter advanced stealth aircraft through the integration of Bell Infrared Search and Track System (IRST) with the next generation gallium nitride variant of the indigenous UTTAM AESA radar. This technological convergence represents a significant leap in India's air defense capabilities, specifically designed to detect and engage stealth platforms like the F-22 Raptor and Chengdu J-20 that employ radar-absorbing materials and advanced low-observable technologies. Hindustan Aeronautics and Bharat Electronics have collaborated to create a long-range dual-band infrared search and track system specifically designed for the Su-30 MKI fighter fleet. The Defense Acquisition Council approved this project under the MiG-2 category in May 2018, with Air Force planning to equip 84 upgraded Su-30 MKI aircrafts designated as Super Su-30 MKI with this advanced system. The system is designated to provide long-range infrared detection, enabling effective identification of enemy aircraft at significant distances through their thermal signatures. A wide field of view allows pilots to scan broader areas for potential threats, while high-resolution displays provide clear super-narrow infrared and electro-optical images for precise target identification. The system incorporates automatic tracking capabilities for both air and ground targets, reducing pilot workload during complex engagement scenarios. Most critically, the IRST features 3D localization capabilities through an integrated eye-safe laser rangefinder, enabling accurate target positioning essential for engagement calculations. Indian Army has significantly enhanced its air defense capabilities by integrating Tata Advanced Systems advanced thermal sighting system with the Russian origin IGLA man-portable air defense systems. This state-of-art thermal sight, specifically the Rajak thermal weapon sight cooled, empowers operators with real-time tracking and engagement of aerial threats such as drones, helicopters, and aircrafts, both during day and at night, as well as in adverse weather and low visibility conditions. The Rajak TWC employs advanced cool thermal imaging technology which provides superior detection and recognition ranges compared to uncooled systems. It enables detection of man-sized targets up to 6 kilometers and tank-sized targets up to 4 kilometers, while larger aerial targets like aircraft and helicopters can be detected from 12 to 15 kilometers away. Smaller targets such as UAVs can be tracked from 3 kilometers. The IGLA-S system itself is a third-generation shoulder-fired infrared homing surface-to-air missile with a range of up to 6 kilometers and an altitude ceiling of 3.5 kilometers. It features a high explosive fragmentation warhead and advanced seeker technology for improved resistance to countermeasures. The addition of the Rajak TWC significantly enhances the IGLA-S's operational flexibility, allowing infantry units to rapidly deploy and effectively neutralize aerial targets in both conventional and asymmetric warfare scenarios. DRDO is actively developing a new gun-fired anti-tank guided missile ATGM system tailored for the 105 mm cannon of the Zorawar light tank, marking a significant step in India's push for indigenous defense capabilities. The Zorawar, jointly developed by DRDO's Combat Vehicle Research and Development Establishment (CVRDE) and Larsen and Toubro, is a 25-ton, three-crew light tank designed for agility, high-altitude operations, and rapid deployment. Its primary armament is a 105 mm high-pressure rifled gun, initially sourced from John Cockerill of Belgium, but DRDO's ARDE is now developing an indigenous replacement to reduce reliance on foreign systems. A core feature of the Zorawar's firepower is its ability to launch ATGMs directly from its 105 mm main gun, enhancing its capability to defeat modern armored threats at extended ranges. Raghu Vamsi Machine Tools has announced plans to develop a cutting-edge kamikaze drone signaling a significant advancement in India's indigenous unmanned aerial system capabilities. The new drone recently showcased at an industry event will be powered by RVMT's fully indigenous micro turbojet engine, the Indra RV25-240N, which is positioned as the core of the platform. The Indra RV25-240N engine, developed entirely in-house and supported by academic collaboration with IIT Hyderabad, weighs just 25 kilos and delivers a thrust of 240 newtons, making it ideal for small high-speed UAVs such as Kamikaze drones. This engine is notable for its lightweight design and best-in-class thrust-to-weight ratio, enabling the drone to achieve high speeds and agility while maintaining a compact form factor. A key innovation in the proposed drone is its hybrid propulsion system, which combines the micro turbojet engine with electric propulsion. This hybrid setup is expected to enhance both endurance and operational flexibility, allowing the drone to loiter for extended periods and then execute high-speed terminal dives to strike targets. The projected operational range is approximately 500 kilometers. The new Kamikaze drone is set to compete with established international systems such as Israel's Harop and the US-made Switchblade, offering comparable range and potentially superior mission flexibility due to its hybrid propulsion. Now let's talk about L&T TEER. The L&T TEER is an advanced maneuverable recoverable aerial target platform designed for air defense training. Developed by Larsen and Toubro, it serves as a high-speed, highly maneuverable aerial target to simulate enemy target aircraft for weapon system testing and training. The key features: it is developed entirely in India for modern air defense training. It emulates aerial threats for realistic engagement scenarios. It is equipped with radar augmentation systems, infrared and smoke flares, and an acoustic miss distance indicator. It has a catapult launch system, a modular launcher for easy deployment and logistics. The TEER NG variant, a next-generation version under development, configured as a high-speed, low-flying aerial target with enhanced payload capacity. The L&T TEER was showcased at the Maharashtra MSME Defence Expo. India is set to significantly strengthen its naval mine warfare capabilities by reviving the long-pending project to indigenously construct 12 advanced mine countermeasure vessels (MCMVs) with an estimated investment of around 44,000 crore rupees. Currently, Indian Navy faces a critical capability gap as it does not operate a single dedicated minesweeper. The earlier fleet of 6 Karwar class and 2 Pondicherry class minesweepers was progressively retired a few years ago, leaving the Navy to rely on clip-on mine countermeasure suites mounted on other ships, a stopgap measure that falls short of the Navy's requirement for at least 24 dedicated MCMVs to protect India's extensive 7,516 kilometer coastline, 13 major ports, and over 200 minor ports. The revived project will soon be placed before the Defence Acquisition Council. Following this, an open tender or request for proposal will be issued, inviting Indian shipyards to submit techno-commercial bids. The construction of these vessels is expected to take at least 7 to 8 years after the contract is finalized, with delivery timelines proposed between 2030 and 2037. The order is likely to be split between the lowest and second lowest bidding shipyards in an 8:4 ratio, ensuring broader participation of domestic industry. These new MCMEs will be equipped with advanced non-magnetic hulls, high-definition sonars, and acoustic and magnetic sweeps to detect and neutralize both moored and drifting mines. They will also feature remote-controlled underwater vehicles capable of detonating mines at safe distances, significantly enhancing the Navy's ability to secure harbors, shipping lanes, and critical maritime infrastructure. AVNL is advancing its next-generation high-altitude light tank project by engaging Western defense companies like John Cockerill of Belgium and Elbit Systems of Israel. The key highlights of AVNL's light tank initiative: It has a strategic shift. AVNL has previously considered Russian designs, including the 2S25 Sprut SD, but has now pivoted towards Western modular solutions. Advanced technologies. The collaboration aims to integrate C4ISR systems, lightweight yet powerful weaponry, and modern survivability features. Operational focus. These tanks are designed for high altitude warfare, particularly in regions like Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh, where heavier tanks face mobility challenges. Its special features are the amphibious capability, modular armor, and drone integration. Indian Army's requirement. The Army has issued an RFI for 350 light tanks, each weighing under 25 tons, featuring 120 main guns and modular armor. These next-generation high-altitude light tanks, developed by AVNL, are designed for challenging terrains like Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. Now let's do a little bit of a comparison between the Zorawar AVNL tank and the global counterparts. China's ZTQ, that is 15 is to 35 tons, 105 gun designed for Tibetan Plateau operations. The Russia's Sprut SD has 18 tons, 125 gun and amphibious capability. United States M8 AGS 19 tons, 105 gun and air transportable. United Kingdom's FV101 Scorpion 8 tons, 76 gun and high-speed reconnaissance. The center fuselage for the Tejas Mk1A, India's light combat aircraft, has been successfully manufactured in Hyderabad by VEM Technologies. VEM Technologies, which built the first center fuselage assembly for Tejas Mk1A, also got the clearance for the second assembly jig as a production partner for HAL. The Tejas Mk1A CF is made up of semi-monocoque construction with both metallic and carbon former composite material. The company has manufactured a total of 1,595 components which were inspected by the HAL quality agencies at every stage of manufacturing before getting assembled into the final center fuselage. The final integration will happen at Hindustan Aeronautics in Bangalore. Now some geopolitics. Amid escalating diplomatic tensions between India and Turkey, the Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan is hosting Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif in Istanbul for high-level talks focused on bilateral relations, regional security, and counter-terrorism efforts. Turkey was the only West Asian nation to openly criticize India's military operation and publicly back Pakistan, which has significantly deepened the diplomatic rift between Ankara and Delhi. Turkish support reportedly included supplying over 350 military drones to Pakistan and deploying operatives to assist Pakistani forces during the escalation actions that have drawn sharp protests from India. Additionally, Turkish military presence was noted in Pakistan with a Turkish Ada-class anti-submarine corvette docking at Karachi port and a Turkish C-130 Hercules aircraft landing with what was reported as military supplies. While Turkey insists that these were routine deployments, multiple reports confirm the use of Turkish-made Songar drones by Pakistan during the conflict. India's response has been swift and multifaceted. The government has lodged strong diplomatic protests, revoked security clearances for Turkish firms, and initiated a sweeping boycott of Turkish products and services, including a halt to marble imports and a significant drop in tourism and aviation ties. Pakistan, facing significant economic challenges and an oversupply of electricity generation capacity, has announced a major initiative to allocate 2,000 megawatts of surplus electricity in the first phase of a national program dedicated to powering Bitcoin mining and artificial intelligence data centers. The initiative is spearheaded by the Pakistan Crypto Council, a government-backed body established in March under the Ministry of Finance to regulate blockchain technology, and digital assets. The initiative has already attracted interest from international Bitcoin miners and data infrastructure firms, with several delegations visiting Pakistan for exploratory discussions. The Turkish state-owned defense firm STM signed two strategic MOUs with Malaysian partners at the Lima 2025 on 21st of May. The agreements aim to boost cooperation in naval platforms and tactical mini UAV systems. This move strengthens Malaysia's defense industry and expands Turkey's role in the Indo-Pacific. Amid rising maritime tensions and demand for unmanned systems, the deal emphasizes local production and joint innovation. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.